Yo, what is going on, you guys? Mamba gang, Mamba army. A little bit of a different video today. As you guys know, I just bought a brand new Challenger. I'm going to show you guys how to take off that yellow strip, that banana looking strip that's at the bottom of your car, in front of your car on the splitter. It's supposed to be like a guard, a protectant, so your splitter doesn't get damaged while it's being transported from the factory to the dealership. If you don't know what I'm talking about, let me show you. So a lot of brand new cars, Challenger Chargers, come sometimes with this long banana looking thing right in front of your car, right at the bottom, that is supposed to be to protect the splitter or that little lip at the bottom so it doesn't get damaged while being transported from the factory to a dealership. Some of you guys like to keep it on. You know, it looks cool. Some people think it looks cool, it looks flashy, whatever. Technically you're supposed to take it off, or the dealership is supposed to take it off, but I had to take mine off myself, so it was really simple. Let me show you how. It comes with these little 4 sections, 1, 2, 3, and then 4. In those 4 little sections comes these little plastic inserts that look just like this. And all you really got to do, if you see right there, it comes with 2 little sections where you can actually put in a flat screwdriver through and pop that middle section up, and it should pop up right like this. Let me see if I could do it right here. Let me get you guys some good lighting. And so I don't know if you can tell, but there you go. So if you can tell, there's a little section right here where I can put my screwdriver in and pop this middle section up. Now I had already taken it off, but it comes right off. As you guys can see, it pops. After that, you can actually just pull this section up and pull this one out. And you just do that for all 4 little holes, and the thing comes right off. So hopefully that helps you guys out. If you decide to keep it on, hey, it's up to you. It is what it is. I'm not one guy to judge or anything like that, but a lot of people say you're supposed to take it off, and if not, your car looks goofy, whatever. Don't mind what people say, do what you like. Hope that was helpful. See you guys in the next one. Yo guys, one last thing that I did forget to mention, because I'm sure some of you guys are gonna ask, is did I lift the car up? No, I did not lift the car up. I did not jack it up or anything like that. I literally just kind of got enough arm's reach to reach those 4 little knobs or screws, whatever you want to call them. Pop them right off. The only tool you're going to need is a flathead screwdriver. That's probably going to be the easiest thing to use. And yeah, man, it should be easy. Just pop each of them off. The thing should literally just come right off. I hope that was helpful, man.